Alright, so we're talking about exactly how you can double your confidence, and I'll tell you how to double your confidence. If you want to double your confidence...
Oh, thanks for this awesome
Yeah. Oh yeah, I forgot!
I'm a man on a mission. I'm a man on a mission. I don't need no permission. I'm a man.
Wow, I learned quite a lot. What I could understand, I learned, and I could see the difference.
You have to understand how to completely control the audience. And when I say control, I don't mean control them, I mean control their attention. Because understand, you gotta do three things with the attention of people. Attention is one of the most scarce currency of today. And you gotta do three things. You gotta get the attention, hold the attention, and direct the attention. So you get people's attention, you hold the attention, and you direct the attention. Okay? We're going to talk more about it later on.
Hi, I'm Aravind from Bangalore, and I work as an engineering manager in one of the MNCs here. So there are lots of things, starting from how to create a presentation, what all techniques you can to make it a very successful one, how to balance your life. There are lots of techniques that Bishal is teaching us. So amazing one. So the reason I would say or I would recommend anyone to enroll in this program is because there are lots of information that you are going to get. A lot of information that I have never got anywhere else. There are lots of videos, there are lots of podcasts I have listened to, but this is amazing. A lot of information. Please join. I would highly recommend you to come and join it. 2 days, worth it.